Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start online franchise with friends in Madden 27. Now before doing anything, I would recommend you to go to Creation Center and select here load/delete files and go to roster tab. Here just load the roster which you would like to use for your franchise. Like that could be your custom roster or official roster. Once you load your roster, then we gotta go to franchise, select create/load, then select create new league. Since we want to create the online franchise, we'll select the option play online, and right here if you want to use the NFL roster, you can go ahead with that as well, or also you can use the option roster file in case if you have custom roster or you want to use the official roster just like me, and it will start importing the roster. So wait for a few seconds here. Now once that's done, you need to choose the team. I'll select this one, Lions, and select the coach type. It doesn't really matters to me, so I'll simply select any coach type and simply save and exit this, for instance. After that, we need to go to league settings, and here if you go to commissioner tab, you will able to make your franchise public or private, and also you can enter the league name so that your friends can simply search for your league and they can enter the password. So you can just set any password you like, so your friends can basically search for your league, they can enter the password and able to join your franchise. This is the first way. There's another way as well, I'll tell you later in the video, but for now we just need to start playing this. So simply start, and once you do that, the second way by which you can invite your friends is that just go to options tab, select the option members, and here you can simply select the team, select the option invite user. You can simply enter the ID of your friend, or you can also choose your friends from the friends list. It is that easy. Now if you're wondering where the invitation will go, if you send the invitation to your friend, then they just need to go to the option, this one, accept or decline. If they go right here, they'll able to see the request and they can basically accept the invitation. Besides that, they can also search for your franchise, like they just need to enter the league name, they can enter the password and able to join your franchise. Also from the main menu, they can press R3 and able to open EA Connect window. Here if they go to game invites, they'll able to see your request and they can join the franchise. So yeah, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you're able to start online franchise with your friends in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.